Now that you've set up your project and started collecting mentions, it's time to dive into what you're really here for, analyzing the data. Of course, we recommended exploring all the tabs in Brand24 to see everything the tool has to offer, but to keep things simple, let's focus on 3 key sections where you'll find the most valuable insights: mentions, analysis, and comparison. Let's start with the Mentions tab. This is where all mentions containing your tracked keywords appear, pulled from across the web. Depending on your plan, mentions will show up in real time or with a slight delay. But there's more to them than just the text. You'll also see important details like the source, the influence score, and whether the mention is positive, negative, or neutral. To get even more precise results, you can use Boolean search, an advanced way to combine keywords using operators like and, or, and not. It helps you filter out the noise and focus only on the mentions that really matter. Want to explore further? Click the Visit button to go straight to the source. You can also add mentions to a report, block irrelevant authors, or take other actions. If you find a mention particularly important, click the Add to PDF Report button. You'll find it later in the designated section under PDF Report tab, where you can decide whether to include it in your final report. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the details each mention provides. Then filter them. If you're dealing with a high volume of mentions, you don't have to scroll endlessly. Instead, use advanced filters to sort by source, sentiment, intent, author, domain, language, and more. If you keep using the same filter settings, save them for later. Just click Save Filter under the search bar. Name it and reuse it for analysis, reports, or Slack and email notifications. Don't forget to check out the mentions chart, which highlights spike and drop in your mentions, reach, and sentiment. If you're on a pro or higher plan, our AI-powered events tool will even explain to you what caused those spikes. Don't have this feature in your plan but want to test it? Just reach out to our Customer Success Manager. Next up, the Analysis tab. This section gives you a quick, clear overview of how your brand, or your competitors, is performing online. No need to dig through endless data, it's all laid out for you. Right away, you'll see key metrics like reach, engagement, and sentiment. Compare them to past periods in just a few clicks. Important mentions are highlighted, so you don't have to scroll through everything manually. Interactive charts help you track trends, showing when your brand gained traction and which channels drive the most engagement. Want to know who's talking about your brand? The share of voice metric helps you find potential brand ambassadors. The presence score tracks visibility changes so you can spot trends early. You can also explore trending links, discussion themes, and emojis related to your brand. And here's something cool for enterprise users. You can export all of this data directly to PPTX, making reporting seamless. Finally, let's look at the Comparison tab. This is where you can compare different projects like your brand versus competitors, or different time periods within the same project. In Project Comparison, you'll see key indicators and charts that show how your brand performs against competitors. Want to know which trending topic is getting the most attention? Check metrics like the number of mentions, reach, AVE, and sentiment. You can also track performance over time to see how trends evolve. In Period Comparison, you'll get similar insights, but just for one project. This is perfect for tracking progress, comparing current data to past periods, and checking if you're hitting your KPIs. Just like in other sections, you can apply filters to focus on what matters most. And yes, you can export everything to PPTX here too. Pretty cool, right?